What's up puzzle lover? Welcome to Payazi channel. In the last video, link on the top, we have solved one solution for this puzzle. Let me give you two more solutions for this puzzle. So puzzle is we have three sections and each section has 5 square with number. So one solution number one is if we add the diagonal 3, 7, 4 and 5, 7, 4, this will give us same number. Want to see? 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 7 is 14 and 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, again 14. So this is one way. Now for the second section, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, this one. And the second diagonal is 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16, again 16. So similarly, we have to find the question mark value, we have to add the diagonal. 3 plus 9 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16 and 9 plus 7 is 16 plus 0. So this answer is 0. This is the solution number 1. Now the second solution is add the top row and the bottom row. This will give us 8 and this will give us, the bottom will give us 6. So to come up with 7, what we have to do is minus 1 and plus 1. This will make our middle number 7. Similarly for this one as well, 6 plus 3 is 9 and 5 plus 2 is 7. To make it add, we have to minus 1 and plus 1. This will make it as 8. So let's solve the value for this one. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 4 plus 4 will give us 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. This will be our second solution. So second solution is 4. Now let's solve the third solution for this puzzle. Yes, we have third solution as well. Let's see how to solve this. We will multiply this number 3 multiplied by 5, which will give us 15. From 15 we will subtract 7. So this will give us 8 and 8 divided by 2. This will give us answer as 4. Okay, let's solve the second one as well. So 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. Now 18 minus 8 gives us 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now let's solve the third square. We have 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. 21 minus 9 gives us 12 and 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. So answer to the third solution is, friends, hope you enjoy all the 3 solutions for this puzzle. If you have more solutions, do comment it out in the comment section. Share it with your friends, like the video and subscribe to Payazi channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.